AI world of today is really the same kind of theme of it's all about these neurons, whether they're human neurons or artificial neurons and networks. So, what he did, the legacy in science of two huge fields that he
Yeah, absolutely.
pioneered,
So, I
right?
mean, he ended up. I mean, again, he was lucky. He was in the right place at the right time, just like he was in Cambridge. He was because he was in San Diego. That was the site of something called the Parallel Distributed Program Group, which was a set of information scientists, computer scientists, psychologists who tried to bring all this together. And this is the embryo of today's AIs. And Geoffrey Hinton, who helped co-won the Nobel Prize, and John Hopfield, who co-won the Nobel Prize in 2000. They were intimately linked with Crick and with this broader group. And he wasn't involved in doing any of the program. I found a rather sad letter from him saying he was trying to learn BASIC when he was about 70, and it was really, really hard, and he couldn't do it. But he would be sitting there. They'd have these meetings in San Diego and at the university, and he'd sit at the back on a sofa, and he'd kind of be very annoying and saying, well, this is very well, but what about the biology? So one of the issues that we still have today was being played out there with Crick on the sofa saying, look, if you want this to tell you about the brain, it's got to be biologically significant. And if you're relying on ways of these components interacting that is biologically impossible, then that's going to be great. You're going to have a fantastic system, but it won't tell you about biology. And that was what he wanted to link structure and function in a realistic and scientific way.